Another thing that we can do is we can add Peachtree data that currently isn't showing in this particular form. In order to do that, I'm going to go back to that Add button. I'm going to choose Data from Peachtree. It's going to try to confirm that said, well, you didn't really just want to add a plain old text field. You actually wanted to add data, and that is correct, so I'll say OK. Now I need to choose the type of fields, and you might have to kind of play and click on this until you find what you're looking for. I know that I want to use Customer Fields Other. If you recall, I created some custom fields when I created my customers, and one of them was for allergies, and that's actually what I want to show on this invoice, so I can let people know that we are aware that they have allergies. This happens to be Customer Field number 4. I'll select that. I'll say OK. It just kind of gets plopped here in the middle, so I'm going to drag it down and put it near the bottom of my invoice. Position it about like so, and maybe I'll make it italicized. So we can add fields that aren't currently on a form if they're appropriate. In this case, because we're talking about a specific invoice for a specific customer, a customer field is appropriate. Naturally, there's a lot more work that we could do with this particular invoice. I would usually continue to add different coloring so that it matched kind of my purple and pink theme so that it all matched. But you get the idea. Everything on this form is selectable, and everything that's selectable has properties. Once you have something selected, you can format it, and depending on what it is, you'll have different things, but font, size, color, background, fill, size, location, all of those types of things are available. It's really a good idea to come in and play with this. Remember that I created a copy or a save as first, so I don't have to worry at all about messing up my original invoice. When I'm finished, I can come up and I can save and I can close. It does prompt me to save it with a different name, and that's why I said I didn't have to do a save as first. I just like to do that so I don't accidentally overwrite something. I'll press Enter to save it with the current name, and then I'll close.